Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I tinker with throughout the day. For step-by-step detailed instructions of those tasks, you can click on the links in the comment section below. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. This video also has tips and tricks that I've learned over the years. So, thank you very much for watching. Time to put Red Barron's engine together for its trip down to the shop. Man, I even gave away the dang exhaust on this thing because I have another exhaust for it. So let me put this turbo piping on, this coolant stuff back together, idle air valve, put all this stuff back together so I could drive this car down here to the shop, swap this engine out. I have a different exhaust, totally different exhaust for it since we're putting in the other engine. So I got rid of that exhaust, but man, I might have wanted to keep it to get the car down to the shop. I might go get it, put it back on there because that's going to be noisy. Got the old coolant reservoir on there. I got a new one for it, so that won't be on there long. Now I need to put this intake piping stuff back together. I don't even remember taking that off and giving this away, and then get this turbo stuff back, intake piping on there, back onto the turbo. Of course, I'm replacing all that stuff, so I still need it to drive the car down to the shop. I don't want to have to pay for a tow. I'm looking at the BCS, and I can see that the wastegate vacuum line that goes from there down to the turbo down there, that line is totally missing. This may be why that thing is boosting real good. Actually, that's not the wastegate actuator, that's the dang on pressure reading. That reads the pressure coming off the turbo. Anyway, that's missing. I don't know how long it's been missing, but I'm not going to worry about it. I don't need it to drive the car 5 miles. Here's that vacuum line, I'm assuming, just laying up here. The PCV vacuum hose that wraps around the engine, and looks like that thing is busted too. I don't know how far back it's broken, but here's part of it here. So that's not connected either. Goes down there, connects on to the PTC, and I see the little vacuum hose that goes over the top of it's here. I'll go ahead and put that on. So the PCV is totally destroyed, which is normal on these cars, those hoses being broke. But I'm gonna go ahead and hook up this idle control valve. Shoot, I even took off the vacuum tree there. Need to find that too. I made myself a little mess here. Not sure why I did that, but I did. Get that wire harness packaged up to ship out. Let me see what I could get into next. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.